Attorney Nate Amendola here, criminal law in plain English. The question is, what is a no contest plea, or what does it mean to plead nolo contendere? So here's how you should think about this. Massachusetts, and like everywhere else, there's a not guilty plea. That's what happens when you start the formal criminal process. You say that you're not guilty. That changes only when you either accept guilt through a guilty plea or are found guilty by a judge or a jury. A no contest plea or nolo contendere plea is when you say you accept the punishment, whatever it is, but you don't admit guilt, or you don't say that the facts did or didn't happen, but you accept the form of punishment that the court, or the sentence that the court is going to impose. Here's what I can tell you. In Massachusetts, that's really rare. I'm in court every day. Can't say I've really seen that before. I think the idea behind it is that if you've got a civil suit at the same time as a criminal proceeding, or maybe one that's going to happen later, where you're a defendant in a criminal case and later a defendant in a civil case, the nolo contendere or the no contest plea cannot be used against you as an admission of guilt in the civil context, is my understanding. But again, this is something that is really, really rare and not used a lot in Massachusetts. So Massachusetts, pretty much what you see is not guilty, guilty, or we've talked about this a lot before, continuance without a finding. But for purposes of plea, it's a not guilty, or if you at some point change your not guilty plea through either a plea yourself or when the judge or jury finds you guilty, then of course that changes to a conviction. So that is how no contest or nolo contendere works in Massachusetts. Again, really rare, not something you see a lot.